You pops. So now, if them support you, just make them support. There's a lot of people out there who would love to start the shop and help on out.
Yeah.
You know, and if they can get you work or if they can...
No, really, off of fact right now, I don't really want to
You don't want to work?
I don't really want to leave the yard right now. I have some things I start.
So what kind of business you want to do?
The baby. And truly, him can't manage, catch him have to go bush at daytime, so he can't manage, kind of leave, like the shop, and sometimes he leave and forget to feed the pig them and
Yeah.
so that's why
So what you want to do in your life?
I just want to take care of my farm and go shopping
Your
at the
farm?
time. Yes.
Where you plan?
No, yam.
You
Not easy.
You're going to bring when you come back more to see what you have farm.
Yes.
How much you have here?
We have 250 for myself right now.
Which part there?
Drummer.
Drummer?
Yeah.
You farm it?
So if I'm farming or in farming.
You?
You must be
So when we come back, I want to see it.
You are got drummer, you know drummer?
No, how far from you, sir?
No, must.
No, may I come with you? Guys, that's my original house. Where, Jonathan?
Him no wake up yet.
What's
But he wife inside.
Yeah, man, we want to see the farm, you know. Where's the farm there?
No, take time. I'm a son with the bike.
Hey, your son won it?
I'm winning here, sir.
Win it?
Yeah.
Last night?
No, Sunday night.
I wake up Jonathan.
No, here's that time, the way I walk past that time.
Go wake him up. Come on, get a tour of the place. Come on, rent it out.
Into what one?
One in room.
Oh.
Let's see. We're going to take care of it. Hey, him say him farm 200 acres. 200 yam him farm, you know?
200 either yam you plant and grow?
Yes, me grow.
Yes, King.
Hi, how you doing?
Respect.
Miss Williams this, right?
Yeah, man, I see how the warrior.
Are you just get married?
Yes.
Nice. Go to the ring then.
This is how my
You
grandmother
wanna
did
lose?
look, you know. She looked just like my grandmother.
Yeah?
I saw the one of them. I don't want family, you know. I want neighborhood. Do most
So you have
relatives.
this shop up your son?
No, my shop this. No.
Your shop the number seven?
Jonathan's girlfriend's house.
Oh.
We in shop.
Okay.
So this is me in shop.
So you
This
plant
woman right here.
Yeah.
So we're going
You have your own ground?
when I come back, I go check her.
Oh God, we go so far.
Why not? Maybe she'll lying about the yam.
Yeah, we won't have to prove
We
it.
don't need to tell no lie.
See? Look on her face, she face this.
Let me see if you have my shit can.
She not planted, she have a man to ground, with the ground.
No,
Are you
We
ever
go over there. Yeah, we go over there.
she don't understand the bush woman thing.
Happy
You know?
days.
Cause she bushy, you know. You don't smell the bushy pan her.
My fool. My plant, my ground, my plant.
She said smell some pig and she said, Lord God, it stink.
Yeah, I think with you sometimes.
I will have
Oh God, him asleep?
I'm married.
Him still asleep?
I think I like one.
Alright, I'll come back later.
Alright.
Come on to see him.
Oh, he's a bird.
Respect, alright? Take care.
My
I want to see the yam head them.
Hi, pretty girl. How you do? Yeah.
See all the Norway woman them pretty.
If your husband not vex.
Yeah.
No, you know, vex.
So you have to use him for him name.
No, I'm gonna start using it.
Okay.
Why you not start use it?
Me have one issue with the marriage certificate. The damn pass and I put Marcy upon it instead and put Marika. So alright, we have to wait until we go RGD and correct it. Me like Marcia, you know, because I go to school named Marcia instead of Marika. But then no, me have problem. Me didn't always say we go to paternity test for Alexia. Because they said Marcia and Marika are two different persons. So me end up have to go do. Say then say me need to go to DNA. But we never do DNA. We just call Spanish down and Spanish down we go do the birth paper.
Good.
So Trong Jamaica no one you know. If you want on the Trong, you know. About 20 baby each you know can make it now.
No!
How much baby you have?
You don't get none yet.
What do you mean not get none yet?
She don't make none yet.
Hold him down and hold him down.
Oh, you not tell her what your cousin? Yes, she came second Saturday. She got Gibson ring.
A big star then for
And she
Jamaica.
got
What's your run?
Grand Prix.
What's your run?
800.
A star. Nice. Me like it. So what you do now, pretty girl?
Business.
Are your business this?
Be a businesswoman, man.
And that's what I talk about, you know?
We come for help the woman, them, you know.
Business
Just
is
tell
farming.
you farming.
You used to do farming?
Me do farming, I raise my chicken and plant my bananas.
You have chicken here?
Yeah.
But not the big bag that them down there, so. Them that's why the chicken, me can't go because of this.
So what's your name?
Shanika.
Shanika, you're pretty bad.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Jeez,
I am pretty to him trunk.
Yum.
Are the yam gonna feel
Yes.
sir?
Yum.
Look how him
Look
trunk.
at that yam.
Look on
You never
them.
started? So why not?
Me
You should have
Are the strongest woman them in the world, you know.
No, you have stronger than we never.
No, not the strongest in the world. Jamaican, no. Who's the fastest in the world? Jamaican.
Yeah.
Who have them? No woman.
Yes.
No, so who not the strongest in the world?
Me like them talk there, right?
I mean, I must get it to know how your teeth are white. Where you use?
Colgate, of course.
I just Colgate you use?
That's
And
regular
eat
brushing
tea
and
and them brush and
You eat, so you are a real country woman. You see, me tell him, say a country woman more. You know what?
I'm telling him business, you see? He say, well, one woman that can shit in the bush and wipe him back to relief.
All them women around here so doing.
No, you can't manage that.
Talk to him to me now.
All the
One
women
woman where when you look on a woman can lift up one bag and sitting on her shoulder. A woman like a
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. If you have your chicken penny, you carry one feed and you have nobody to carry.
You carry
you
just
stroll it by your shoulder.
course.
With it.
Of course we do that. No.
Fine, come here.
Randy, I see one man with a bike and him have 4 bags of feed on the bike, yes, so, and I travel with that on the bike just now.
Yeah, I deliver it. Hallelujah.
Yeah, man. She don't understand the total country.
Oh,
She
your brother
she are uptown.
Yep.
up down.
Uptown.
What's your name, young man? Ricardo.
Just a friend.
Oh, yeah,
Around
I'm
and
so
help out most of the
Hey, we tell you again, tell the yam.
A fire.
No, follow
Him
me,
name
them
Fire.
skin clean and
A fire, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you're a change man.
It's like the
Respect.
original fireman.
Hey man, a fire man.
So what you do? You go to school?
No.
Oh,
Man's
you
a
do
construction man.
You don't look at the over 18. That's why I asked you to go to school. Sure, no. So what you up to? What you do? You're an artist? No. What you do? You farm? So what you do? You're a construction. Nice.
Ah,
So you
wait.
have money up here, so the little young girl never run him down. Tell him to go here. Eh?
You have to go run up.
Run him up. Alright, cool.
That's what I said, up top.
Up top.
What up top mean?
You have to ask them. We don't use that slang. I don't use it.
I don't understand you either.
I
What
don't
up top
use
mean, General?
Me not using what I say.
Oh,
Everything up, everything.
Me just say up. and
Nothing
me say
not
that
done
bigger.
down.
Not
Yeah,
done
done
down.
up.
Me say up. So me don't know the up top thing I go.
Alright.
Up top, boss.
Look here, me hungry now. I don't care, me come on our way and
This is alright, we don't bring Kingston people here, you know. Our Kingston people, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we know.
Get dry chicken.
Eh?
What is it?
Where you get it?
You have
Come
food?
to the party, or come at the party. It's some rice, it tastes like them put charcoal in the rice.
When?
The other night.
Yeah.
Horrible.
A bush, man, but you don't understand bush food.
Oh.
She don't know taste bud for bush food, you know.
I remember my sister live in Kingston and every time she come down here, she said she want the food where you cook on fire.
Yeah, I want the wood fire cooking, that's what I love. But the rice, it tastes like them put charcoal in it. It's a nice one. It never tastes good.
Because some of the charcoal does go in it.
In the rice.
No, probably a smoke it taste of. And a charcoal. Probably because it's close to the fire after it cook. So probably the smoke.
We have an outside grill on my yard. We set up.
Outside grill you have, you don't have outside fire grill you have.
Yeah,
put
but
it
I
in the
would.
Outside
Yeah,
grill.
but I also use wood chips today.
You like chips you use.
Yeah.
You use wood or chips you use. You want to go chop the one bung loud carry on your head and make up
Yeah,
a big
that's why I'm not going to let her radio for 2 weeks, you know. So you can break her in. Because she'll come with the general and want to make sure she's ready. You see me?
Yeah,
It's like Avatar the movie. You can't just come in at the thing and not get training, you see?
Yeah, I remember that to make a go up in one bush for sleep for 2 days by myself.
No, you have company alone and go up there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, me come with you.
Alright, we'll go.
But then you have to roast all the yam and stuff.
But no problem. I'm a good chef.
But you know, you stick turn the yam and you have to take your hand, lift up the yam, flip it over.
So, and them no look.
You can't train her, you know. When you're done with her,
I
she
don't
go...
know. I can't
When you're done with her, she go black, you know.
No, she now get black. I just if she have hair on her finger, the more burn her.
Here for the finger go burn off.
Me not here for me. Me good.
I mean, you get like scotches from the flame.
No man, me good man. Me not bougie, you know. I just them a label them because here what. Me say me not going on a pit toilet.
Well, you're not going to be telling.
Me not doing it.
Just carry your phone
No.
and sit down.
Me video it from outside. No. Me not.
Well, go time up and bring him up this on time. You know,
Gonna have
the
a
time.
time. I'm better give me some sedation too. Make sure you have some proper for life to kill Michael Jackson.
What is she have against pit toilet? She's looking down on the people.
No, it's nothing to do with that. But my good body figure sit down on pit toilet.
Whoa,
How much people body sit down on and me
Whoa,
don't know them.
you say she had
No.
down the whole community.
No. You know Baba say, me will use a person toilet to me know, but me not going to no bush. I'm afraid of bush and something go bite me. No.
Every year is supposed to have a big time.
I agree with that.
Wisdom from
But
the...
me not do it.
No,
Afraid.
no,
Give
no,
them- give them some
you can't
space.
sit down
Don't
and
stand
clean.
Tell
Morning.
me the cockroach jump on
Right.
me. I said,
Not a thing like that.
So I'm
No man,
afraid.
you can
No
throw
roach
in
not
a
jump
disinfectant
on
in
you.
it.
Throw a disinfectant and spray in
So you
there.
see how you are talking. Me come here and use
And
your
you
toilet.
spray the toilet and
Me
stuff.
come here and use your toilet. See that?
Whatever.
No, I will because you're Russia explain it. Come tell me say me to go in a bush and the thief out a door like say you know and cockroach. Me couldn't tell me that.
Me can't bend down, girl.
You see it?
I
See now,
can't bend
Drake.
down. No, me have to sit down comfortable.
Touch me, girl.
Can't bend down.
So right up there so you can sit down comfortable.
Don't comfortable.
That's the pit
what
toilet, me I
I'm
tell you about
talking
it right there. Me go and introduce you to it.
Me not have no problem if Miss can't sit down, but me not ask him about
No, I didn't say
Tell
that.
me I tell about, you know, the seat clean, the floor clean,
Me
like
go in there.
when you clean it every day, you know, polish and shine every day. But if
So your pit toilet is
So me
good.
have a go.
How about vitality on there, sir?
Me have
Good. All right, good. So at least you know when she hang out around here,
Yeah,
she can't come by your house.
No. And all we need is to boil the water for me. That's all. Maybe make your water like a warm. I'm pretty nice one.
How you put it nice?
Yeah, let me tell you, I know the life. But in things, I'm not bullshit. I'm not bullshit, girl. Don't you? You know what you want and know, so this is what you want and that's it. Not true?
Good explanation. All right, make a move.
Yeah. Time.
Come, warrior.
Yeah, come down.
This is the real maroon warrior. See how she look like a warrior queen.
Marcia, she says she needs.
Find a wife for me will look like, you know.
No, I can't find her. I know it's hard to go look. You have to send me go look. Yeah, she inside me.
See there? See him there?
Let's call them up here.
You can't start rent out?
No, this is only half in Jamaica room. This
Oh.
is something I do when I room them like this.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice. So you construct them. So the party did really go on.
That money go on, alright, man. What about the expense overhead? Over here, so I'm going to come over here. So I have to move 2 hours go over here. So, but we have one, we're almost ready.
Wait there.
Doing stuff.
That could be. Yes, Jonathan, King, you're going to your thing. So was it profitable or?
Well, the expense did be there, but
Very
everything is alright. You know?
Everything all right.
Expense was alright.
So this is the mansion where you guys can come through.
This is a room, we find a room, this room and a bathroom. I want to clean up now. The 2 people there.
Okay,
This is the kitchen, this is the kitchen.
little kitchen. And this is the bathroom. So once this is finished, you just link me. All right?
And tile, that's it.
So can this be finished by, what about a flush? Everything good?
Yeah, man.
Water? So can this be finished by March 17th?
Yeah.
This can be finished by March 17th. All right, wicked. I have some people that come through. All right?
Don't scare my girl.
Another one down there, sir.
But me and say,
Take your time, man. Wow. So how long it took you to build this house?
4 years.
4 years. And you save up your thing and you work hard and do your thing.
So one more room and bathroom over there, over this side here. So I just have to say, take me time to do that.
Take your time, bro. All right. Good. So this is one room. This is the step you come down, right? Wicked. Wicked, wicked. What do you mean, garage? You have the power to life?
Yeah, garage. Underneath this room, underneath the tree.
It's a car garage? So how the car get here?
I dig them over there so and thing.
And set up a...
A deck kit. Have a two more room over there and deck kit so the car can drive on top of it.
Wow. Very interesting. And the sand you use for the whole thing? Sand for everything?
Yeah, man, sand.
That means nothing now move.
Hope so. You keep party on the roof. And jerk on the whole place. That's what you can't manage jerk, you know?
Yo, me see the lights them.
You like it?
Yo, Virgin, you did it, man. You definitely make it the whole.
Nice.
You make the whole Norway proud, man. You make the whole Norway proud. See the people. Keep up the good work, and we will support it. Make sure, say, we bring some income in.
Let's start with my promotion. What's that party with my promotion, you know? Make up the money with you.
Jonathan, when your father leave?
I'm not thinking him now, you know, but you know, they're here in India, you know, I sent you this, but I'm my brother.
When am I come back?
Probably tomorrow, because I want to clean up my grandfather's grave.
Alright, cool. So,
Cook some food tomorrow. When you leave?
I'm going to go West and then I come back. I'm going to be here a while.
Tomorrow?
No, I'm going to come back tomorrow.
Oh, because I cook some food.
You cook some food? Yeah, I'm going to go open the grill. Then I come back, man. I come back on you, sir. Come on and lick your father.
Alright.
So don't make him leave. I'm going to come back in and make you know.
Alright.
Respect, sir.